Have faith that you will pull through your difficult situation. Have faith, have that confidence. If you don't have that, at least have faith that there are good people in the planet Earth who will come to your rescue, who will help you, who will support you. If you don't even have that faith, at least have faith that God is there on your side. He is going to help you. For sure. I can give you in bond paper. I can sign you that in the bond paper. You are not alone. You are in safe world, safe place. Your safety has been taken by God Himself. Don't take me wrong here. That doesn't mean you be foolish. I know. Often people say, oh, God is going to take care of me, and they indulge in all foolish thing. God only helps those who help themselves. These proverbs have great truth in them. It's when you do all that you could do and you find there is no way. Raise both your arms and say, my God, I can't take it anymore. You will see how the help will come to you. Okay? You have seen, many of you have experienced it. I don't have to say this. All of those in the art of living you have experienced so many times. So many miracles have happened in life, isn't it?